So here we are. This is our fire alarm panel. This is the Edward fire alarm panel. I've got one isolated device in this unit. What I'm gonna do today is to test the fire alarm panel. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to isolate the brigade. So the brigade, which is located here. So this is our brigade. This is the SGD. So this is the circuit that sends signal to the ADT, and then the ADT will send signal to the brigade. So before you go into test the system, you must isolate the brigade, and this is the brigade. So once I switch this one to the up, there's the lights here in the right hand side will lit. This is a yellow light. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at this light. Okay. That's the blue lights, I mean. So that means that you isolated the brigade. So another thing to isolate is what is this? The silence alarm. This is the silence alarm. You must auto isolate that one. And another one is the auxiliary. So all is isolated, these three. This one is the test. When you are doing sending test signal to the ADT, you must swap this position here to this one, right? And another thing to do to isolate is all the ancillary. This is all the ancillary, but it's individually. This is the mechanical isolate. So press that one, then lift isolate, shutter, curtains, security, and AV. So all the red lights come out, so it means isolated's engaged. And then another one to isolate is this is the strobe lights. You must to isolate that one, and the speakers. Right, so everything is normal. I mean, you can do everything. You can do anything without any issues because you isolated everything. All right.